Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video about the meteorite, but not meteorite. First of all,
I'm back after 5 or maybe more, maybe 6 or 7 months, which I was disappeared. I suddenly and immediately come from nowhere like a
Meteorite. Yes, like that day in
center of the Russia Federation. Recently, certainly, I must remember you again. The one of the biggest heat and strike meteorite under Earth's planet. In February 2013, a meteorite entered Earth's atmosphere and exploded over the Russian city Chelyabinsk. The event, often referred to as a Chelyabinsk meteorite, was a significant meteorite strike that caused a widespread attention and interest. The meteorite was estimated to the about 17 to the 20 meters or 50 to 60 feet in diameter, and had a mass of about 2,000 metric tons. As it entered the Earth's atmosphere, it created a bright fireball that was seen even over the wide area, and its explosion generated a shock waves that shattered windows and damaged buildings in the region. Many people were injured, and flying glass and debris wounded people. Alright, before of this video I make another one, and I mentioned Chelyabinsk meteorite in that video, but the Chelyabinsk meteorite is notable for several reasons, which I will mention them for you. Firstly, it was the largest meteorite to impact Earth since the Tunguska event in 1908. Secondly, the event was well documented with the numerous videos capturing the fireball and explosion, which allowed the scientists to study this catastrophic event. The video also served as a reminder of the potential danger posed by asteroids and meteorites. Further studies of the Chelyabinsk meteorites revealed information about its composition, trajectory, and origin. It was classified as a common chondrite type of stony meteorite, and it likely originated from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Have used the data from this event to improve our understanding of the frequency and effect dear planet on Earth. In inclusion, the Chelyabinsk meteorite strike in 2013 was a significant event that caught international attention. The education but can provide more detailed information on the scientific aspects of these meteorites, impact, its relevance to the field of the astronomy, and this event really was one and really was rare.